Phenomena of alternating currents of very high frequency. By Nikola Tesla. Electrical world. Electrical journals are getting to be more and more interesting. New facts are observed and new problems spring up daily which command the attention of engineers. In the last few numbers of the English journals, principally in The Electrician, there have been several new matters brought up which have attracted more than usual attention. The address of Professor Crookes has revived the interest in his beautiful and skillfully performed experiments. The effect observed on the Ferranti mains has elicited the expressions of opinion of some of the leading English electricians. And Mr. Swinburne has brought out some interesting points in connection with condensers and dynamo excitation. The writer's own experiences have induced him to venture a few remarks in regard to these and other matters, hoping that they will afford some useful information or suggestion to the reader. Among his many experiments, Professor Crookes shows some performed with tubes devoid of internal electrodes. And from his remarks it must be inferred that the results obtained with these tubes are rather unusual. If this be so, then the writer must regret that Professor Crookes, whose admirable work has been the delight of every investigator, should not have availed himself in his experiments of a properly constructed alternate current machine, namely, one capable of giving, say 10,000 to 20,000 alternations per second. His researches on this difficult but fascinating subject would then have been even more complete. It is true that when using such a machine in connection with an induction coil, the distinctive character of the electrodes, which is desirable, if not essential, in many experiments, is lost. In most cases, both the electrodes behaving alike. But on the other hand, the advantage is gained that the effects may be exalted at will. When using a rotating switch or commutator, the rate of change obtainable in the primary current is limited.